Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you a super easy crock pot recipe that I do all the time. All you need is this package of crock pot savory herb chicken seasoning mix. You can get this at any local grocery store. I also use some seasonings, Goya, and then pepper, and some minced garlic. And then you're going to need some potatoes. I just have some 3 gold potatoes and then 2 sweet potatoes. And then an onion, some baby carrots, and of course your protein. I have some drumsticks. You could do thighs, any bone-in. You need a bone-in chicken for this. So first I'm just going to chop up my potatoes. So I have my chopped up potatoes and a coarsely chopped onion and my carrots in the slow cooker. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my meat. I have my drumsticks right here. I'm just going to season these a little bit with some of this Goya seasoning and this pepper. Just toss it a little bit. More. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to add it to the crock pot. Now I'm going to add some of this minced garlic. So I have 3/4 cup of water in here. I'm just going to take this pouch and mix it. Once that's mixed, you just dump it right in. You could also do, instead of water, you could do chicken broth, which I usually do, but I don't have any on hand right now. And then I'm just gonna put some paprika over top for some color. And that is what it's looking like right now. So then that's how you prepare that. I'm going to put the cover on, set it to low for about probably 5 hours, 4 to 6 hours, and we'll see what it looks like when we get to there. So today I'm going to show you how to make super easy blueberry cobbler. And what you're going to need is a white or yellow cake mix, a stick of butter, and some milk. I have a cup of milk right here, and obviously you're going to need blueberries. I'm using blueberries. You can use any fruit of your choice. I just had these on hand. 9 by 13 baking dish, a bowl to mix the ingredients in. So let's get started. So right now I have the cake mix. I'm just going to dump it in this bowl. And then I have the stick of butter right here that I melted in the microwave. And I'm going to add the milk to the cake and the butter. Now I'm just going to stir it until it is all incorporated together. So I have the cake mix all nicely mixed up, and I rinsed my blueberries. And this is like 2 cups of blueberries right here. I'm just going to add it right in and give this a good stir. So this is all laid in the pan, like so. I don't know what you could top this with to make it look a little bit more presentable. maybe some graham cracker crumbs or something. I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna put it in like that. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees, so I'm gonna throw this in for an hour. And after an hour, I'll poke the middle, make sure it's done, and I'll show you the final review. So here it is. I only baked it for about, let's say, probably like 40 minutes on 350. It only took, so I put a knife in the middle, as you can see, and it came out clear, so it's done. And it looked like all the blueberries sank to the bottom, but it's looking real good. I think I might, when it's cool, I might do like a icing on top, like an icing drizzle, just some confectioner powdered sugar with some water or milk, and I think I'm going to do just water and then drizzle it on top. It'll harden and make it look a little bit more presentable. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. I'll update you if I end up doing that drizzle. I'm going to let it cool right now. So this is what it looks like plated up. That's the texture. And now you guys know how to make blueberry cobbler. The chicken's done. Everything's done. I'm gonna lay the chicken on a baking sheet and broil it for a little bit. These carrots and potatoes are almost done. Just want them a little bit softer, so I put it on high and I'm gonna let them sit for like a good 30 minutes, just to let them get a little bit more soft. And then I'm just about to throw this chicken in. I just have it on broil on low. And I'm going to broil it until the skin's nice and crispy. Here's everything plated up. I actually ended up adding a tablespoon of flour to a little bit of water, making this a little slurry just to thicken up the juices a little bit. And then I ended up broiling the chicken for probably about, I'd say, 5 minutes on each side on low. And that's what it's looking like. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.